Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for Biggest Craft, and we have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches. So let's start with the first one. This is one of the 12-month flowers. This is January. It is a 14 count. And it is 17 by 17, and it's one of the Joy Sunday wannabes, Joy Sunday Junior, because everything is all Joy Sunday. So I don't know, good gravy, how or why they put them like that. I don't get it. So, good grief. I have fuzzies for some reason. My hands are kind of dry. Let's take this out. I just love these little monthly flowers. Now this one's on a 14 count. And it is a counted cross stitch. And this little kit is $4.99. So it doesn't look like it would be too difficult to do. I mean, even though it is counted. It has a beautiful pattern. They're always nice and big and easy to see. Now this key will not match. There is actually a key. No, there's no key. I was going to say it doesn't match, but there's nothing on the canvas. I forgot. That's the way they do theirs. But it looks like there's only 10 colors, so it's not too hard. And I don't think this would be too difficult to do. I mean, if I was going to do one of these kits, like this in a pre-stamp, I think I'd want to start with Joy Sunday. It only has cross stitch in it. As you can see, there's no back stitching. You could add that if you wanted to. Maybe take some of the deeper, darker color and, define it a little more. I don't know. You do what you want, It is a 65 by 65 centimeters, not centimeters, squares up and down. Let's take a look at the beautiful. Now I know they have some of these in counted and they have some that are pre-stamped. So this one is actually counted. Comes with 2 needles, and there's your colors. It's a 14 count, so you don't need too many threads. It's got 4 different colors of green and 5 different colors of pinks, but I think it would just be beautiful. And then brown, of course, is going to go around the outside edge. So I think it'd be interesting. I really do. Just see if I could do that in counted. Comes with a piece of canvas. And let's measure it. The actual canvas size, it is serged all the way around, is 17.5 by 18.5. So it's square. I mean, let me specify that. The actual picture is squared. So you just pick a place and just stitch. So that makes it 7 by almost 7.5. And it's kind of an off-white color. Very nice canvas. Typical Joy Sunday. So yeah, you never can tell. I might start that. Just absolutely stunning. Yeah, I just love those pink flowers. Just can't get over them. I don't know, I'm having a thing with pink. It's either pink or blue flowers. Never fails. So, yeah. But for $5, go for it. Everything's all set up for you. You got your thread, your needle, your canvas. All you got to do is stitch it. So let's see what is in here. And we have these cute little birds. They're yellow and brownish green, maybe color with some, I don't know what those are called. If you know what those flowers are, we'll put it down in this description. There's even 2 butterflies. This is from DIY Cross Stitch, and it was birds with a nest. It was $11.99, so it's fair size. Let's take a look. Get it out of the bag. The bag over there, out of the way. I thought it was a pretty little picture, and I just love those birds. They just look so sweet sitting there in that little nest. And this is a partial. Let's take a look at the thing. It does have the product number, how big it is, and it's a 108 by 151. So it's a good size, but it's not huge. It does have 25 colors. This key will match the one that is on the canvas, and it shows the colors actually here that you're looking for. Nice bright symbols. This would have to be blown up for me. It's a little small, you know, if I was ever to use it. Let's take a look at the colors. So it has some muted colors. Hang on, I gotta shake it down because they're all nice and long. I do like that. I don't care. I like it. Look at all the shades of green. Oh my goodness, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shades of green. You got some brown and some pale pink. I don't know where that's gonna go. What number is that? 12? 12. I guess it's just mixed in there. Does have a sticker that matches the product numbers on it. Does have some golds, lots of golds. There's a bright gold, and then there's 2 more gold colors over here. I think it's beautiful. It is an 11 count. You got some 3371 down there, I'm sure of it. No 310. No 823. No blues in this. But yeah, I just thought it was nice, muted little colors. Just make a lovely little picture. Didn't come with any kits or anything. I mean, you know, these things like this. So there's no little extra kits in there. It does come with 2 needles right there. So as you can see, it's not very big. But holy cow, that is a lot. I guess that yellow is the, not yellow, oh my goodness. The yellow on the pattern is number 12, yeah. So it's part of the flowers here and there and everywhere. Like I said, it's a partial. You do not do the background. That seems like a massive amount of pink. I mean, what I'm seeing, they're not that much. Let's take a gander at how big it is. It is not serged all the way around. It is 35. Now it does have a little bit of a salvage edge over there. 35 by 43, so it's a little bit shorter. But that's fine. You got plenty of margins all the way around. The actual picture is 25-ish, pretty close, by 30, a little over 34 and a half, so it's on its way to 35. So 14 by 10, almost 10. It's like 9 3/4. So technically it would fit in a 11 by 14 frame. You would just have to do something with the sides here because it's a little narrower, or get a custom frame if you like. The pattern does not look real confettied at all. No part of it is it confettied. It does have a little picture of it right here. This is the same key that I showed you earlier. It's nice and bright. You can read all the numbers everywhere. It even has the color strip right here. So that's cool. But I like it when you can see all the symbols. And as you can see, the symbols are really easy to read. I'll bring them, or see, you know, and cipher out. Back it out just a bit. But they're very easy to read, very well printed for an inexpensive type kit of this size. So yeah, it's just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And it doesn't look like it would take long. I mean, there's a lot of stitching in between here, but you're changing colors, so I don't think that would be an issue at all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me pull you out so you can see the whole thing now. Sorry, my bad. Here, stare at the canvas for 20 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, just beautiful. It's got some bigger areas in it. And I've noticed, you know, after I've gotten so many of these kits, that they use the same symbols over and over. But not necessarily, I haven't noticed it being, oh, well, that symbol's always blah, blah, blah. It's not. So, just beautiful. And that color was, yeah, it is, 3371. I was going to say, I didn't think I was too far off. But just absolutely beautiful. Well, guys, thank you, Biggest Craft, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful products. They are just gorgeous. There's the picture again of the little birds. They almost look like ducks, you know, like baby ducks, you know, that have that little yellow fluffiness in them. I just love it. And Biggest Craft is having a site-wide 18% off for everything in that site. And for any orders over $49, you get free shipping. They have embroidery, beaded embroidery, punch needle. They have the tools and the kits for punch needle. So if you're interested in that, they have tools and crafts for all your cross stitch and embroidery needs, you know, like needles and stuff like that. They also have custom, and they also have a Joy Sunday section. So, and they always have such a wide variety of all kinds of, I don't want to say crafts, I want to say cross stitch or needleworking type stuff. So you're never at a loss of, oh gee, they've only got 5. No, this place has thousands of stuff. So I think anybody could find something that would interest them. So check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will see you next time. God bless. Part 3 will be tomorrow.